Welcome back to my channel. It's been raining all week, so this is just an update on the seeds that I planted in the trays. You can see the ones that I've made a hose in and put them in. They've not really done anything. This one's quite good actually, but this one's pretty good. I've just chucked it in and let it. I just emptied the water out of it. It was full right up because we've had a lot of rain in the UK over this weekend, like Father's Day weekend. Not doing too bad, a bit of weeds, but and I'll show you the other ones in a minute. Hang on. That was the first one I did. I don't know, ages and ages ago. Extra ones here. It's drenched. Just keep draining out the water. Yes, we do have weeds in my back garden. This is my back garden. I haven't done no weeding for a while. This is RTF. Or is this Creeping Roy? I can't remember which one it is. So, not doing too bad here now. It's quite long. This is probably the best one here. Anyway, just a quick update. I'm just gonna chuck it down again today. It's the 19th of June. It's not too good. We'll walk back over here. Yeah, so yeah, not doing too bad. Food seeds come up. I'll just chuck this lot in, just to not really done much. Watered them, but I haven't been in the water. I've just emptied this. It's full right up with water and soaked. So hopefully they'll drain out. Anyway, that's just an update. Leave a comment below. Like the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I'll catch you on the next one. Oh. So. See you all later. Cheers, bye.